Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to Mainstack. Now, imagine that you as a business owner or digital course creator, you can receive payments in over 150 countries. Now, also imagine that you're able to receive payments on your website without writing any line of code and without having to sign up on a third-party software. Now, stop imagining, because that's exactly what I'm about to show you how to do with Mainstack in this video. So if you're a digital entrepreneur who sells digital products online and you want to receive payments on your website, Mainstack released the Checkout AI, which allows you to do that without having to redirect your customers onto the Mainstack platform. And for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using GoHighLevel as an example. So even if you have a digital or a non-digital product, maybe you sell bookings, consulting, you can also do that as well. So I'm going to jump right into my computer and show you how it's done using GoHighLevel. If you also want to see how this is done on lead pages, we made a video right here which you can go watch, showing you exactly how to receive payments on your lead pages website. We're also going to be making several examples on other software as well. So whatever software you use, there's going to be a video guide for you on this YouTube channel. So let's dive right into my computer. So the first thing I want to do is to sign up on Mainstack and make sure that you create a product. So I'm going to create a product very quickly just to show you how it's done. So now that you're logged into the Mainstack storefront, what you want to do is to go to the add product section right here and click on that. Now there's different type of products to choose from. You can sell data products, masterclasses, training, webinars, and so on and so forth. But for this video, let's say we want to sell a booking or a consultation. So I'm going to select other. Now we click on next. We're going to title a product. We're going to say 1 hour consultation. Now, one more thing that Mainstack allows you to do is to use our AI feature to generate your description. Using our generate with AI, you will be able to generate a description for your digital product. So what happens is it goes through your product title and it generates a description based on the clues that it can get from your product title. Now, if you want your description to be as detailed as possible, you want to make sure your product title is as detailed as possible. But in the event that it's just a generic title, like what I'm doing right now, you want to go through the description and make sure that it is tailored to your digital product. Since this is just an example, I'm going to leave it as is. So I'm going to click on next. So you click on next, you want to drag or upload an image here to represent your digital product. I'm just going to choose one for my computer just as an example. So let's do that. All right, so this is going to be my digital product image. Again, this is just an example. Now let's click on next. Now this is where you set your payments. If you want to do free, one-time payment, pay what you want, fast action, or paying tranches. If you want to use the Checkout AI from Mainstack, it has to be a one-time payment. I'm just going to do $49 for my 1 hour consultation, and I'm not going to include any discount pricing whatsoever, and I'll click on next. Now this is a physical or a virtual event. Now this is online, and I'm going to include my meeting link here. So if you want to do a consultation, that's probably going to be on Zoom or Google Meet or any of these platforms I use in order to allow people to get access after. I'm just going to do like a generic link for the purpose of this video, but you can include your Zoom link, you can include your webinar jam, whatever it is that you use, you can include it right here. So I'm going to do next. Now, if you want to mark it as Mainstack affiliated, hide products from store, I go over all of these things in this video that I talked about. So go watch that if you want to learn how to set up your digital product correctly. So I'm going to say book consultation as my call to action. Book consultation. You do next. So we want to set up your purchase email. So this is the email that your users will receive after they purchase your consultation, and the email that goes along with it, it's already been pre-filled, so you can leave that. So I'll do next. This is going to be my 1 hour consultation. I'm going to do publish, and it will be live on my storefront. So if I go to my store, this is the product that I've just created. So what you want to do next is to add your product checkout page to your website. And again, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using GoHighLevel. So what you want to do right now is to go to edit product, and you want to go to the top bar where it says Checkout AI. That's what you want to use. Now, Checkout AI allows you to have 3 checkout options. One is the checkout link, the second is a speed checkout, and the third option is the pop-up checkout. But what you want to do right now, what you want to use is to use the speed checkout. This is going to allow you to embed our checkout infrastructure onto your website so that people can check out using the Mainstack infrastructure but on your website, so they don't have to redirect to Mainstack in order to perform transactions. All of that happens on your website. So what you want to do now is to copy the embed code. So now that you've copied, you want to go back to your GoHighLevel website. So wherever it is you want to embed the checkout on your page, you just scroll down to it. For example, this is where we want to embed our checkout on this page. This is just an example page. What you want to do is to click on Add Element. You click on that, it gives you all those options. Then you want to use the HTML code widget. So once you click on that, it's going to give you the HTML code widget here. It says custom HTML or JavaScript. This is where you can embed your custom HTML that we copied from the Mainstack storefront. So you want to click on code editor, open code editor, and it's going to give you the screen right here that allows you to paste that code that we copied from Mainstack. It's as simple as that, and you click on save. Now it's already being embedded on the website. Now what you want to do now is to click on the preview button. Then we can see exactly what it looks like on a live website. So if you scroll down, this is exactly what it's going to look like on the website. If you remember, the product price was $49 and the fees is $4.66. So the total right now is $53.66. So someone can just enter their name. I'm going to do Danielle, and I'm going to do Dan at mainstack.app, and I'm going to do a phone number. Let's put a random one. Okay, so now do pay with card. So here you'll be able to enter your card details, your card information, your expiration date, and your CVV, then your card holder name. Then you proceed to pay. As you can see, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3 to embed your Mainstack checkout button on your GoHighLevel website. So right now you'll be able to receive payments on your website without having to go to Mainstack website or to redirect to our storefront. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. If it has, consider subscribing, and if you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them down in the comment section down below. We read all comments and we use that to inform a lot of the future videos that we'll be making on this platform. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.